Okay guys, welcome to the Grace Life. So in today's project, we are going to be using two of these candle holders. Well, they're not candle holders, they're actually ice cream holders. And I got it from the dollar spot at Target. So you see the inside, we have them two different colors. And then the outside, you will see they're shaped like wafers. So I decided to use these instead of ice cream dishes to use them as candle holders. Now, at the Dollar Tree, we're going to be using these. This is a 4-pack of candles. They're about 1.5 inches, I would say, thick, or as thick as the box, like from here to here. So what I did was I went ahead and melted that, and that's what's sitting right over here. So I have the pot of water. What I did was I put all 4 of the candles that came in this box. I put them in here, and I melted the wax. Once the wax was melted, you're going to see right here, I have the 4 wicks. And so what I wanted to show you is when you're making a candle holder this size, this is actually the perfect size wick. So I thought it was a great idea because not only that, I don't need to put essential oils or anything in this for scent because it's already scented. And this one in the blue is fresh linen, I believe. Yes, fresh linen. And so I don't need to do anything. All I needed to do was to melt this. You get 4 of these in here. So I'm going to take a wild guess and say that this candle holder here would probably take 2. So I have 2 extra wicks. And so that's all really that you need. So the candle holders themselves were $1, and these candles with the wick were $1, and you got 4 in here. So what we're going to do, I took the wicks out, and you can reuse them. Okay, so we'll straighten them out. I'm only going to need 2, so these 2 here I won't need. Alright, so I have the glue gun going, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put hot glue on the bottom of this wax. Then we're going to place that right in the center. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this skewer just to push that down to make sure it dries and it doesn't move. We also want to make sure it's straight because this wick, we will not be able to wrap it around anything to keep it straight. Okay, so we'll go ahead while that's drying and we'll glue this one down. That's the neat thing about this. This only costs literally $1.50 because we're not using those 2 wicks. So we'll place this in the center. Okay, straighten out the wick as best as we can. Then use the skewer to push that metal part down. Okay, so that wick is standing up straight. So now what we want to do, this wax over here is already melted, and like I said, these candles are already scented. I'm pretty sure depending on the color you choose, I've never actually bought these, so this is my first time buying it, and it's Luminescence is the name on the box. So I guess depending on the color, depends on the scent. I never actually looked at that until the idea came to me today, so let's just, and the next time I go into the Dollar Tree, I'll make sure and check the fragrances. So now we're going to take the wax and we're going to carefully, I'm going to start out with this yellow one. So we're going to carefully pour that in there because we don't want to move the wax. I'm going to try to get it as even as possible. Okay. Because I'm not sure how much of this wax will fit in here. So I say we got a nice amount. It probably could have used, actually I used all 4 sticks now that I'm thinking about it, guys. I used all 4 of these sticks, but I got enough to fill the 2 candle holders, at least a little bit above halfway, so 75% of this is already filled. So the only thing I need to do is make sure that wick is straight and then leave it to solidify. So we got the candles, they solidified already. It filled up, I would say, about just about 75% of the candle. So, and that's good. That's good enough. So we use 2 wicks. 2 wicks we'll save for another project. And like I said, I thought this was a beautiful idea. Everything I used to make this project is down in the description box below. And I will see you guys in the next video.